That serve goes out. UST undefeated so far. Oh, what a hit! Right off the back. The service coming on Villaluz. Oh, his service dominated the competition so far. Oh, that's going to be a net. Villaluz has been serving really well. Nayamat. Rogelia, off-speed attack. And it works! Gomez, underhand set. Short ball, Rogelia. Double contact, makikita serve. Nice service. Rogelia, pop set, off speed. Villaluz.
Change scored 6-1 UST.
School straight sets. And the final four match yesterday, setting up his finals match against FEU Diliman. Good serve from Rogelia. Chance ball for UST. Rogelia. And she gets it to go. Lopez, pop set, Cafe. Villaluz with a deuce. Lopez want to play. It is going to spin back inward by UST. Good one. Villaluz no. Another good serve. Rogelia, the setup job. Villaluz. The up by Cafe. Sheena left it short.
Change scored 11-3 UST.
At the service area. And it's the result of the match so far, 12-3. Another sharp serve. Villaluz. Underhand set. Rogelia. Lopez na itawid. Rogelia muli. Lopez. And finally. Oh, it's an ace. 13-35, make that 13. Villaluz. Lopez sets it up. And 13-7. Rogelia has other good service. Good na nung angulo nun. Meron na save. Lopez showing some love. Lopez again. This time left it short. Scramble by Maylon. Lopez. No ball, it's good! And FEU. Villaluz. Lopez scrambles. Pagmano. Chow sa net. Lopez. And that was a good attempt. Rogelia with a good serve. Lopez. Calibrates. And sharp serve from Rogelia. Chance ball for the Tiger Sands. Villaluz. Long ball. At this service area. Another sharp serve. And it's good! Pumasok po po yung maya. Napakaganda ng matches natin ngayon. Villaluz. Off speed. For Maylon. They go to Lopez!
They scored 16-12 UST. 16-12.
Closest that they have been, down by 4. What a respect! Hermalion. Rogelia rather. Rogelia the up. Itatawid niya yan. Vermailon with a good serve. Villaluz, good read. Rogelia, naiangat ni Lopez. Love. FEU with another chance. Lopez with a tip. Villaluz, this time goes long. The save. Villaluz, siya ang magsaset up ngayon. Rogelia, lalabas yan. Naman. Masyado. Lopez. Jumps at the net. Rogelia. Reloads. Net touch. And they're proving it why here. Rogelia attempting for the 1-2. Binalik kay Villaluz. Napi needs one more.
Change score 2015 UST. 2015.
Villaluz. Vermailon. Chance ball. No, it's gonna go out. And UST
21-15.
taking care.